This lesson covers a lot of material and it can be very challenging to cover it in the given amount of time that you have. So the HMH lesson bundles together the interior angles of triangles and the interior angles of polygons, as well as exterior angles of triangles and exterior angles of polygons. This lesson does a really good job using the interactive teacher and student editions of presenting both concepts and showing how they're related. Just for a little tour, exploring the interior angles and triangles, let students do a proof of this interior angle theorem. And remember that finding the interior angles of triangles is something that they've been doing for a long time. This is a middle school skill, so it's not new to them. Here's an explanation for them to look at. You could have them do this with a piece of paper by cutting up the corners of the triangles and reassembling them. And then towards the bottom here, there's an opportunity for them to prove the triangle sum theorem. I like this because it makes it very clear for students to see the steps. You can talk about what ought to come next as a class, and then simply click on the next bar to see the answer. It's very neat and easy for students to see. Keep clicking to work your way through the proof. And remember to pause to anticipate, to allow students to anticipate the answer and to volunteer what they believe goes in the next box. So this is a great way to prove the triangle sum theorem with students. I also love exploring interior angles and polygons. There's some similar resources in the LP for this lesson. And this is a way for students to look at it virtually. First of all, there's a discussion about how to draw the diagonals to see the sum of the interior angles of the polygons. And then there's a chart that helps them organize their thinking. They have an opportunity here to fill in the chart, one bit at a time. And as they scroll down, it'll be more and more complete. And you can work through this as a class without using the interactive student edition as well, just having students record the chart on their own piece of notebook paper. So you would be scrolling down and they would be writing everything down. By now they should be seeing the pattern. So this is a way to work through that chart virtually with them.